Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Cause Trouble When You Have an Outstanding Warrant." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about. Hopefully this is a good one.
Drop your vape. Stop resisting.
On June 17, 2023, an officer was dispatched regarding a suspicious female who was causing other vehicles to swerve around her. He also discovered that she had a warrant issued in her name. That's when things began to escalate.
Hello. You need a ride somewhere?
No, I don't.
You don't know if you need a ride?
No, I don't need a ride.
Okay.
But thanks for asking. No.
Are you the one I just talked to the other day?
No.
You live in Stone Woods?
What?
Stone Woods?
I don't think so.
Sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alright, just as long as you're staying out of the road. Someone called and saying you were in the road and people had to stop. I know you're good over here. I'm just saying someone called in on you. That was it.
Oh, hell.
I just wanted to check on you, make sure you're okay. So you don't need any help or nothing, right?
Well, what's your name? You got your ID on you?
Thanks for asking, though.
You said you don't need no help?
No.
This thing's blaring in my ear and traffic's going by. It's hard to hear. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm out with her. What's your phone number? No, stay here. Stay here. I don't want you to walk across. No, if you're staying in the road, you're going to get a ticket. Do not be in the roadway. Stay right there. All right, go ahead and put your bag down. Put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Damn, Police Insider, y'all clipped the hell out of this video. Y'all just skipped the everything. Like, y'all skipped the whole lot, boy.
Set your bottles of water down for me. Set them down.
I need a drink.
Set them down. You have a warrant.
No, I don't.
Drop your vape.
Can't I just
Okay,
walk
look.
there?
No, you're being detained right now. You have a warrant. Put your hands behind your back or you're going to be under arrest for obstruction.
Then how come I didn't get
Turn around
arrested
and face
yesterday?
around from me or you will be arrested for obstructing. Drop your vape.
Well, at least let me...
Drop your vape. Stop resisting.
Dude, I'm not!
Knock it off.
Don't! Don't, dude.
Knock it off. Good. Is there anything in the bag that you know about?
There's nothing in that
Anything
bag.
in your pockets that you know about before you hop in the car? Can I search your pockets real quick? Yes?
Sir, search it.
The woman kept vomiting, which made the officer think that she was on some kind of narcotic.
Do you need EMS to come check you out?
Oh, hell no. Oh, I do have a Narcan in the book bag.
Have you been using any narcotics recently?
I got it from Claremont Recovery Center.
Have you been using anything recently? I'm asking you, are you sick right now? Because are you dope sick? Do you need
No, I'm
care?
not
Do you
dope
need
sick.
anything? When's the last time you used anything?
Oh, I don't know.
All right.
Yeah, call the medics, bro. She clearly tweaking, man. Clearly, bro. Clearly.
Well, just because you're in handcuffs right now, before I ask you questions, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before I ask you a question, and to have a lawyer with you in question. Can I have a lawyer? One be appointed for you before any question if you wish. Do you understand? Amanda, do you
All
understand?
right, yeah.
Okay.
My God.
Let's go grab a seat in the back of the car real quick while we figure this warrant out. Do you have a phone on you?
Yep. In my back
Can you
pocket.
pull it out of your back pocket for me and hand it to me? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nope, other side.
Now, this car ain't gonna blow me out, baby.
Nope. Hop on in. Hop on in.
Oh, I'm hot,
Sorry. It's a seatbelt. Slide up underneath it, please.
Just stay in here because this is...
No, because I think you're under the influence of something, and I can't take the liability of you standing next to the roadway. Any
I'm not
further
in
questions?
the road.
You're standing next to the roadway. You're in my custody. I'm in care of you. You're hopping in the car while we figure your warrant out.
But this is not a
If you do not hop in the car right now, you will be charged with obstruction and you can go to jail.
I said, right.
You will get in the car right now.
I'm not going to have you close the door and it blows
Get
up.
in there or you will be placed under arrest for obstructing and you will go to jail. Okay, you're under arrest. Hop in.
I did?
No, you're good.
No, you,
Hop in.
I won't
Hop
make
in the
it
car.
there.
Hop in the car now. Get in.
Oh, sit right here.
Get in.
You
Put your
can
feet
talk
in.
to me about the
Put
damn
your
ticket,
feet
dude.
in now. Put your feet in.
You know what? Good. Yeah, I do have somebody on my side. Oh, where are you on drugs? Hell yeah! Since I'm accused of it, might as well act like one.
The officer found some intoxicants in the woman's bag.
So she works at the Hampton Inn in Eastgate. She had a key there.
Nothing?
What are you doing?
Walking on the side of the road?
Where are you trying to go?
Puking?
Why?
I'm just walking, just to chill, like.
Just to chill? Are you high?
No, but it's hot in here. But I'm just saying, dude, like, just let me walk down the road.
No, we can't do that. You got a warrant.
Then how come I didn't get arrested yesterday and I was walking down the road? I was walking
Did they stop and talk to
I
you?
was walking home from work.
Well, they didn't stop and talk to you
Yeah,
then, did
they
they?
stopped and talked to me.
No, you got a warrant. What's the warrant for?
She has a job? Functioning like this? What do you think her job is?
Miss Court?
They said, when I called down there, they said I had court on the 14th.
14th, and today's the what? 17th.
But then when I called them, they said I had a warrant because I had court on the 7th.
Okay. What's the charge?
Because if I have any days, like if I have days off and stuff like that, like I request that days off.
Yeah.
Yeah?
What was it? Heroin?
Down outside the road.
Huh?
I found outside the road, dude, when the cops pulled up, I ate it real quick.
Oh man, that was yesterday
Yeah,
or today?
that was yesterday.
Okay. What was it? Heroin?
High people be funny, bruh. Like she definitely got some demons. She fighting real life demons right now. I'm sorry, I don't mean to laugh, but she fighting real life demons, okay? She having a battle with herself in her brain. But like, dang, it's just like, damn, what go through, what happens in people's life for them to turn so far down this type of rabbit hole. You know what I mean? Like that's beyond your casual, if you're a casual drug user or, your casual alcohol, this is like she gone, man. She is gone.
Meth? Do you remember? I can't. They won't let you recite because you missed the court date. They want to see you.
Oh, they told me on the 7th.
They
Or
wanna-
the 14th. But
Yep.
then when I called down there, because I even went down there and picked up some papers for Clinton County.
For Kenton County?
Clinton County.
Clinton County.
You understood your rights, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So what number one, let's talk about you not getting in the car if you've been told. How many times did I tell you think? How many times did I tell you to have
Give me a minute.
How many times
because-
did I tell you to sit in the car and you said no, you're not going to?
Because
I know, but how many times do you think that happened? What was in the pill bottle with the brown powdery substance?
that's just Stafford 3.
What is it?
Stafford 3.
What is that?
Get them at the Dollar Tree.
What is it? So it's not drugs? Okay. Do you use drugs?
I'm the biggest drug addict there is, dude.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Do you want me to put you in for a referral to try to get some help?
I go to Claremont Recovery Center.
Do you want me? All right, I'll put you
I
down.
already go there.
All right. Is there anything else I can help you out with? Because that looks like heroin to me. But is there any other questions you got?
No.
That's not heroin?
No, it isn't.
Yeah, I don't know either. All right, sounds good. We'll head to jail. Excuse me? No? Okay, turn around and empty your hands for me. Cool. Watch out, I'm gonna shut the door. Go to the right.
The female was charged with obstructing official business and possession of drugs. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.